Well, today marks the first anniversary of the downtown La Crosse fire that destroyed the building that housed the India Curry House restaurant. As we've reported, the La Crosse Fire Department says the incident began just after 4 in the morning. Crews attacked the fire with a number of ladder trucks and ground crews, but were eventually forced out because of the heat. The building was a total loss, causing residents to lose their homes and nearby businesses to close temporarily. La Crosse Fire Chief Jeff Schott says this fire may stay with department members throughout their careers.
Seems like every decade or so you get that monumental fire that really challenges your department to every member, right up from the chief all the way down to the youngest. And I think it's those moments that we have, particularly that fire, where they're going to take a lot of those learning experiences and they're going to be translated throughout their career in growth and development.
Chief Schott reflects on that day, saying some lessons learned included how well the department worked with other outlying agencies, their younger firefighters learning task-level work.